attack.
They were attacking, but there is no way in this kind of a game. Uma uphethe ball, siyale phambili but ulibuyisele emuva or sideways. You're not hurting the opponents. Several times where they get possession and Sundowns, they are not set lapha phambili. Let's get the final pass forward. Mthethwa is always passing back, sideways. Where have you ever seen that pass within the pockets, switch of play, that dissecting pass? He needs to train that. He needs to get that in his game. Other than that, then he's a top player.
Umonyane namhlanje who made his full debut game against the Sundowns. What did you make of Umonyane?
Both of them.
I mean, sorry, Upaseka
Mako. What a quality. I don't know why did Paris let him go. But I would like to say thanks to Paris. Sometimes you can see quality while you have quality next door, something like that. I can tell you, Mako, he played differently, played very, very well. I don't think maybe when he crosses his feet, he'll be able to replace Mako. Mako there, I'm still saying the coach will keep him there. He's going to play a lot of games, Mako. What a brilliant guy. He played very, very well. He didn't want to see Sundowns causing trouble, especially on the far left.
The game was boring for me, I need to be honest. Well done to KAIZER Chiefs for throwing it Sundowns, especially we stop Sundowns because Sundowns now. This is a game for me, Jennifer. They like quality both teams because Sundowns they are no longer the same. In terms of there was a difference between gap between defense, midfield, and strikers, up front players. There was gaps, and access a team that compact where they play short passes nearer to each other. When they lost the ball, they press you there. Yeah. You understand? Then they've got those individual brilliant players and Ripero, Bonabum Shishi. It's a team ordinary now, but I think they need to change this guy. Mikel Cardoso, I need to be honest. I don't think it's gonna last. Now we need na manji my pay love video to a changing room.
We did enough effort to maybe to get 3 points, especially in second half. We had opportunities we couldn't convert. We would have loved to give to those amazing fans the 3 points, but unfortunately we didn't. But we're gonna work hard, and we are pretty sure that we're in the right way.
I think we made a wonderful first half. The team understood how to play such games. It's not a matter only of playing, it's a matter how you give yourself to the fight. And I believe that if today we would not have fight the way we did, it would be very difficult to get points here. Obviously we want to win every match, but we need to understand every moment, and I think the team understood it. I'm pretty happy with the way the boys understood the game.